How to change the Google Maps route. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. Now in here, make sure you have already chosen your direction. Now, I have three ways to change it to another way, which is 2 hours 6 minutes. What I can do is zoom in and click on the text box icon where it's written 2 hours 6 minutes. And as you can see, my direction has changed. There is also other option, 2 hour 14 minutes. Simply click on it and route will be changed. After that, you can start from wherever you want. And this is how to change the Google Maps route. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.